Alzheimer's disease is very, very challenging to understand because we don't know what causes it. The organismal model that we use to study the disease is actually gene mutation that affects 1 to 2% of the cases. 95% of the cases are sporadic, meaning we don't know the cause. And not knowing the cause makes it very, very challenging. Having said that, there are a lot of understanding about the risk factors. So aging is the biggest risk factor. There's a cardiovascular effects. There is environmental effects, lifestyle, diet. And I'm sure, these are all the things that are in the media, but risk factors means that you can potentially modulate or influence, but not necessarily the cause. And not knowing what causes a disease makes trying to find treatment for the disease very challenging. So if you assume that the 1 to 2% of the cases which are genetic has the same mechanism and represents and can be related to the 95% cases, then that is the approach that a lot of people have assumed and have approached the disease in that context. But many of the research seems to suggest perhaps it could be different. There is an upstream process, a process that takes place early on, and that could be actually causing the disease. And it's the lack of that knowledge makes understanding the disease really difficult.